Hi, I'm here to show you a quick demonstration of how we design an automated device onboarding workflow using device lifecycle management, a Juniper Paragon automation use case for intent-based network operations and supervision. Device lifecycle management is typically performed manually with some security and assurance checks. Until recently, the process has not been automated, and the lack of automated insight has led to costly errors and unacceptable times to market for communication service providers. Operators need to reimagine their device lifecycle management and planned work processes with intent-based automation, which more efficiently drives day 2 operations and observability, so their operators do not need to think about what to monitor, since it is simply derived from the intent plan. So let's dive into it, starting with intent-based network operations and supervision. When investigating device onboarding and day 2 operations issues with Paragon Automation, NOC engineers can troubleshoot problems more intelligently by drilling into urgent actions. For any issues, the operator can take a look at a problem from various points of view. Troubleshooting options include identify location, remote management, hardware, interfaces, software, configuration, routing, and connectivity. By using collapsible views for each of these with indicators for health status and actions required, Paragon Automation makes it easier for the operator to focus on what matters first. The operator can drill down further into specific urgent actions that need to be taken. They can see compliance advisories and gain a view of the chassis and interfaces to visualize which physical ports and interfaces have urgent issues. This saves them from filtering through many symptomatic hardware failure and threshold alarms for PSUs, fans, line cards, CPU, and memory. Instead, the problem is correlated to a root cause, and they get a recommended action to resolve the issue. Troubleshooting information on KPIs is aggregated to simplify investigating network and device problems. Operators can also drill into detailed telemetry data and graphically view the data with time series plotting. Remediation is further enhanced with ML-driven predictive analytics that plots and forecasts data to better understand if the trend requires action. In addition, ML-driven thresholding proactively sends alerts when forecasted trends require attention, or anomalies are detected based on understanding what is normal. Sometimes issues are caused by the device software. Using Paragon Automation, operators can see information on the device software, including the OS version, and they can trigger a software upgrade for the device. With the network trust built into Paragon Automation, operators can also see the device's EOL date and any related security incidents response team, CERT, advisories. Operators can be responsible for introducing many issues during configuration. To help identify configuration issues, Paragon Automation can show network engineers the recent configuration on a device to see both the active version committed and previous versions of the configuration. They can then perform a side-by-side, line-by-line comparison to highlight differences between the configuration at 2 specific points in time. They are able to see a compliance score for the device derived from the network trust compliance and drill into any existing configuration compliance issues. Connectivity issues are another common issue that occur through the life of a device, and especially during onboarding. Operators can use Paragon Automation to quickly see connectivity issues flagged for urgent action and use the integrated active assurance testing to create layer 2 through 7 active tests to generate synthetic traffic on the data plane to validate KPIs and SLAs from an end user perspective. With Paragon Automation, you can enable device lifecycle management and adopt a single source of truth for device and configuration management, as well as prevent, detect, and correct faults in a timely manner by monitoring the network continuously. Device lifecycle management can enable the ability to manage devices at CSP scale and minimizes the time to market by ensuring that devices are quickly configured right the first time and all the time. It enables real-time monitoring that minimizes mean time to repair, all through Juniper Paragon Automation.